Today on our YouTube channel, we're going to show you how easy it is to create Boolean searches on our software. Whether it's risk and reputation monitoring, simple media monitoring, or campaign evaluation, our software will be able to help you capture all of your data needs. Here is a list of the reasons why people are already using the MMRI Radar. To create a new search, you need to pull down the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You will be asked to create a search name. Start adding your keywords one by one or copy and paste them from your other media monitoring solution. Ensure that you change the operator to any as opposed to all. You can multi-tier your inclusion criteria so that you have many layers, but you can also add exclusion criteria. You can also add in a published since date, so building your search query from a specific date if you need to. Other operators that you can apply to your search query are location and multiple locations, and languages. Once you've completed building your search query, you now need to select where you would like to get your data from. There are 5 options. Just tick on and off and hit next. Preview search and then save. Real-time results will then be shown in a news feed in your inbox. If you read data that's not relevant, just delete it. And if you read data that is relevant, you can now start analysing the data and applying labels. Creating labels is very simple. All you need to do is pull down the label from the right-hand side menu, write down your label name and create and apply. And you also have the option to look at sentiment and overwrite what's been automated and pulled through to the software. Sentiment analysis comes in positive, negative and neutral, positive being green, negative being red and neutral being grey. Whilst the technology will apply the sentiment, you really have the option to ensure that this is accurate and overwrite this with the right sentiment that you feel should be applied to the post. It's always useful as well to share information you find with a team. So if you find some data that you want to share, just email that result out. So that's how you create a very simple search, but you can create much more complex ones. If you continue watching the video, we'll show you how to create some multi-tiered searches and how to export your data out. So here we've got a search where we're looking at a Twitter handle and any posts that include a particular term. But we want to link this to another keyword. So here we've got nice guidelines, but we want to be looking for any conversations or posts that include a reference of cardiology. Just simply type your word and press return. If you get your terms wrong, just hit the X and it will be automatically removed. You can keep building this query to filter down into as much relevant commentary as you need. Just continue to add your rules whenever you are ready. Hit next once you've completed your search query keyword and then start to add in where you'd like your data. Click on, click off. And create. Twitter data will come in, as will data from all the other sources. There are ways that you can filter your data as well, which will get you to something more specific quickly. It could be by labels. So where you've already looked at data and applied a label, it may be that you just want to review the data that sits under guidelines, for instance. Another useful filter is looking for particular text within the posts. So in this example, we're going to look for commentary that includes the word atrial fibrillation. You'll instantly get your results in your inbox that reflect that search term. You can also go down to sentiment by selecting positive, neutral or negative, and those real-time results will be applied within your inbox immediately. You can also go down to the source, so you can separate out your data into news or Twitter or to other social sites if that's how you want to view your data. At any point that you want to, you can export your data out, and this is from the left-hand menu. Just pull that down, export your data out, and it will go into a CSV file. If you'd like any more details on the MMRI Radar or you'd like us to create your account, then please contact on the details above.